Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix wants and MMS messages on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so check your internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so open again quick settings panel and turn on mobile data and turn off mobile data. Turn on or turn off mobile data 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app. Click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Click on reset all setting. Click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin. Click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix wants and MMS messages on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.